Welcome to Product Critique, where we give you the best insights on everyday products. Today, we're diving into the best Pastel Expo markers, the Expo Low Odor Dry Erase Markers, chisel tip, assorted fashion colors. If you're in need of high-quality markers for your classroom, office, or home, you're in the right place. Let's talk about what makes these markers stand out and why they're a must-have. First off, the versatility of these markers is something you won't want to overlook. They feature a chiseled tip that lets you create broad, medium, and fine lines. Whether you're writing notes on a whiteboard or getting creative with your presentations, the Expo Low Odor markers have you covered. The chiseled tip is perfect for any kind of work, giving you flexibility depending on your needs. You can go from large bold strokes to detailed fine lines with just one marker. What truly sets these markers apart is their low odor ink. This makes them an ideal choice for long-term use, especially in environments like classrooms or offices where people are working closely together. The virtually odorless ink allows you to focus on your tasks without distractions, keeping the air around you fresh and clean. Whether you're teaching, brainstorming, or working on a project, you won't have to worry about the typical strong smells that many other markers have. Let's talk about the colors. These markers come in a vibrant assortment of pastel shades that really pop on whiteboards and other non-porous surfaces. The colors are bold, vivid, and quick-drying, making sure that your work is visible and legible from a distance. Whether you're using them for color coding or just adding a bit of flair to your board, these markers give you a range of hues that'll make your notes stand out. When it comes to erasing, these markers make cleanup a breeze. The ink is easy to wipe away, leaving no stains or smudges behind. Whether you're erasing after a presentation or wiping off old notes for a fresh start, you won't have to deal with lingering marks on your whiteboard. In terms of value, the Expo Low Odor Dry Erase markers come in a pack of 36, offering a wide variety of colors. With each marker priced at an affordable rate, you get a lot of product for your money. Plus, the quality is consistent, so you don't have to worry about any of them running out too quickly. You'll have plenty of markers to keep you going for a long time. Another standout feature is the markers' versatility and usage. They're perfect for whiteboards, but they also work great on other non-porous surfaces, making them ideal for a variety of settings, including your home office, conference rooms, or even for creative projects. Whether you're a teacher, business professional, or someone who simply enjoys using dry erase boards, the Expo Low Odor Dry Erase markers are a fantastic tool. With their vibrant colors, easy erasing, and low odor ink, these markers are a top choice for anyone who values quality and performance. So, if you're looking for the best Pastel Expo markers, look no further. The Expo Low Odor Dry Erase markers with the chiseled tip will not disappoint. Thanks for watching this review, and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product insights.